Ever heard of Ring? That smart doorbell everyone has now? Back in late 2013, Jamie Siminoff launched Doorbot, later renamed Ring, raising about $364K via crowdfunding. He even went on Shark Tank, asking for $700K on a $7 million valuation, and got rejected. Then things changed fast. He raised VC funding rounds, the company's worth climbed, and in early 2018, Amazon bought Ring for roughly $1 billion. Imagine investing £200 in late 2013 at that $7 million valuation. Your tiny stake would be the same fraction when Amazon bought it for $1 billion. That's about a 143 times return, making your £200 grow to roughly £28,600 by 2018. Rejected by sharks, but valued at nearly $1 billion in 5 years. That's the power of resilience and belief in your vision.